guys, welcome back to our channel. You're watching V4 Vloggers. I'm Vignesh and this is my friend Varun. So we have come to a different place today to check out the food. So what is this place about, Varun?
So this place is a palace of millets.
Millet.
Yeah.
Millet I studied in my school.
Yeah. And now we are gonna see like every item is made of millets. So
Okay.
they are rich in fiber and
Okay.
the
And even the carbohydrate content is really less, right?
yeah.
So okay, and let's check out inside how it is and all.
Yeah,
Let's-
yeah.
And this is in Vijayanagar, guys. You can check the description below, and Google location will be given. So please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and share it to your friends also. Follow us on Instagram for tasty content. So they have used Varli art and all, Varun.
Yeah.
See here. The entrance arch is really good. It depicts some village house or something like that. Oh my god, you can see a well and a pulley. Bro, there's a pulley here.
Yeah.
She is sitting inside a well.
So this is a menu, Vignesh.
Okay.
So the items may look like normal ones, but
Okay.
all of those are made of millets.
Millet.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that is the specialty here.
So everything, even the dosa,
Even
everything
dosa is made of millet.
millet rice.
Yeah.
Okay, check out the items here, guys. Bisibele bath, plain dosa, rava dosa. All normal stuff, but
All normal
everything
stuff made of
is,
millets. Yeah.
is made of millet.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, Varun chose rava idli and pattu. Pattu is famous Karnataka food. So let's check out, guys, how it is. It needs really so much patience and
Kitchen is really clean and hygienic.
yeah, the whole kitchen is full clean. Actually, you can check out. So this is what we have ordered. This is pattu.
And even that is made of millet.
Yeah, everything is millet here.
They don't use wheat.
So people who go to gym and want to become thin and all, they can have this because there's no much of carbohydrates in it. No need to get. So we got all the food here, Varun.
So this is millet rava idli.
So this is millet rava idli,
Yeah.
and
And,
as complimentary, they
yeah.
served all the different food which is there here.
And everything is
can
made
check
of
out it,
millet.
yeah.
This
Everything
is
is
millet bele bath.
Okay, millet
And-
bisibele bath, right?
Yeah. And this one is uppittu. Millet uppittu.
Okay. This is
And,
kesari bath.
Yeah. And this is
one.
chutney and pudi.
Okay, there are some 3 types of
And
chutneys
this
here.
is brinjal curry.
Okay, this is brinjal.
Usually they serve it with akki roti.
Okay. So this is that tomato.
Yeah, tomato and onion.
And this is chutney puri and this is still.
Yeah.
So this is the paddu.
And even this is made of millet.
Millet rice.
You can smell it. It's really nice.
I want to taste. I've never tasted millet rice thing.
Even I am tasting for the first time.
Okay.
So he's tasting.
Rava idli.
Yeah.
Millet rava idli. Wow, it's really nice, bro. It's better than the normal rava idli which you get. Next, let's try my favorite dish, bisibele bath. It's different from normal bisibele bath. It's more tasty. I feel it's more tasty than the normal rice. So why don't you taste this thing?
Which one?
Uppit and other kesari bath and paddu and all.
Actually, I want to taste the paddu. So I'm gonna taste this now.
Uppit.
Yeah.
Yeah. How is it, bro?
It's really nice. Usually people don't like.
Yeah, Uppit.
Yeah, they don't like this. But if they come here and taste it, they'll definitely change their mind.
Yeah. And that too, they give it different types of chutney. Chutneys and all.
It's really colorful, man.
So let's go for the kesari bath and then paddu.
I don't like sweets. I'll just try now.
It's okay, hey bro. This is complimentary, first of all.
Really nice.
Nice, huh?
Yeah. You can't have too much, but
Okay.
it's nice.
So for people like you, this is really best, no?
Like people tell there are no, what do you say? There are no food for vegetarians.
So you should search places like this and come here.
And people should just click on our channel. They'll find, now they can find around 11 variety foods
Yeah, that's there.
vegetarian.
Yeah. And as we people go and eat, search for biryanis and all, you can come here. So he is one of the cook here. So he just came to.
He's a cook.
So he just came to ask how was the food and all. Tumba chana. Mahesh. Okay, his name is Mahesh. Okay. So Varun, why don't you go for the paddu?
I was waiting for that one. Never seen serving paddu with sambar.
Okay. Okay.
So what he's telling is like if you come in the morning, it will be crowded.
Yeah, and all the food will be displayed. Like so many items will be there, which is not there now. We have come in the evening now.
People mostly come here to taste, millet.
Millet. Okay.
The food main concept is of millet.
So people who want to diet and all, it's really good. So people who want to do weight reduction and all, you can come and have food here and go and do some proper cardio. So that's it for today, guys. Check out our other videos for different kinds of food.